Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. But first, this is what I've been doing a lot of lately. Jumping right into the pond. I've been working on my pond, filling it with crawfish. I catch crawfish down at the stream below, and really I put 2 trees in the pond and 3,500 bluegill, shell crackers. Just keep stocking it with these bluegills. Just want to share this real quick. Georgia's finest mud bugs. Catching crawfish out of the stream and stocking the pond. The bass are coming this fall. Bass and shiners. Look at these guys. Mud Bug City. Look at them. Mud Bug City. Crawfish. Again, no harm. Where's no harm done to these? Because my cat Maki doesn't know what to think. Those big pinchers. Listen, when those things, when they latch onto you, when those claws grab you, they flex. It's not like they pinch you and then drop and just let you, just quick little pinch. Like they flex and they flex and they flex and they try to chop you in half. It's pretty crazy. But down at the edge of my property, there's a stream, and when it rains, it floods. I've got this metal building down there that's kind of like a garage where I park my side-by-sides. But when this thing gets, when it rains, this thing is like a river. Now just a stream, but I never thought I would be on, over 5-6 acres of land that I own, no debt. Reason why I can do this middle of the day while everybody else is at work, because I'm trading crypto. I want to take a break and clear my mind. I don't want to watch Bitcoin nosedive. I just go outside and jump right into the mud bugs. Again, when it rains, this thing will overflow and flood. And even we've got a metal building up here, and once or twice a year, this thing just totally floods. And you get fish and minnows and everything down here from the neighbor's pond. But we've got this beautiful wooded area on the back of our property. We've got this stream full of crawfish down here, just getting away from trading for the day. Not even for the day, for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. This just helps me reset my mind and just take my mind off of everything crypto. And this is what makes me successful, because I'm able to recharge. And again, recharging is what it's all about, because Bitcoin has been getting wrecked. So we talked about the fact that this would happen, this exact breakdown, when I gave a warning in group a few days ago. One thing that's important to remember is you make money in crypto and you have to keep the money in crypto. And right here, you can see on the 19th, I said, put your stops in place. Bitcoin had a 58% run up, no significant pullback. And you're in a rising wedge, you get a 68% chance of a break to the downside. Like, it made it up. It had a crazy run up, Bitcoin did, right? We have to be happy about that. Now, completely normal correction. Here's your measured move. I said, hey, this is not Chris made it up. This is, I pulled the distance of the pattern, measured move, and you go over right here. Measured move, still not there. Still not at the measured move. So Bitcoin bulls must hold this trend line, and they didn't. They lost the trend line. And then I said, I really don't like this parabola, and it kept rolling over. And it kept rolling over. Another parabola. When you get these parabolas, like these are parabolic downside. This is not good. So right now you've got some dojis, which means indecision, and you're at some support. But I need to really look at the higher time frames to see And I said earlier in group, Bitcoin needs a bounce at this red trend line or 26,500, even 25,200 could be in the cards. And this, again, it's all posted. Look, I'll show you. It's all posted in the group, so you know exactly, hey, if this support doesn't hold, you're going back, you're going down another level, and you did, right? You got this measured move. I called it on the 19th, and we are a lot lower right now. So again, you want to be in the winning coins, you want to be making the most money, you got to be in the bangers, but you can't sit and hold the losers either. Look, this is a 16% short we were in, low leverage short. If you don't know how to short this market, we'll teach you, right? I got a very strong team. We've got leverage trading videos. The day before yesterday, 720%, 30%, 41%, 48, 51, 17, 19, 20, 22, 25. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Everything was golden, but everything doesn't stay golden. This is crypto. When it gets too golden, then it turns to lead. This person, shout out to my amazing trading group. He nailed an ETH trade. He pulled $2,000 worth of profits out of this ETH trade. This person, he just subscribed 2 days ago. He's up 5 figures. Obviously, he's using a chunk of money to make his money, but you hit 720% gains on a trade, and it doesn't take a whole lot to get up there to 5 figures. This person, their trading account, $29,000 in 3 weeks. These are our shorts and longs in our leverage trading group. We have a trial leverage trading group. If you are in the group and you're very, very good at leverage trading, elite, we're going to ask you some questions, and you can reach out to Joe in beginners and actually DM him, but ask him and he'll interview you as far as getting into the leverage trading group, and we kill it. And in this market, to make money and not lose money, I'll show you how to do it, right? You don't hold the downside. You don't hold the downtrends. You don't hold the downside, right? So a bounce here, you could get a bounce here, measured move, right? And then you get some short-term setups. Now, ES1 stocks did break lower like we talked about. They are trying to double bottom, and potentially you come up here and get a bearish retest and then continue to the downside. So we're watching that. The dollar is possibly going to double bottom and get a lot stronger, and a strong dollar is not good for stocks and crypto. Ethereum is something we need to talk about because you had a big shift in Ethereum when users are allowed to unlock the Ethereum that they have, and potentially they could sell them. They could trade them for other coins. They could buy Bitcoin with them, right? And so Ethereum was in this rising channel. And if you pull the measured move of this rising channel, right, the open end of the channel, then measured move is down here at $1,689. Now, there is support in a few spots right here. You've got support right here and support down here. And so again, this doesn't have to be straight drop, right? You can get up, you can bounce, and you can, work sideways and then lose the level, get up, bounce, work sideways. And a lot of times you get these falling wedges out of this. And so you kind of work higher and then work lower and work higher and work lower. But overall, if you're holding it, it's just losing money, right? Listen, basic ideas in this market: paid for this house, cash, paid for 5.5, almost 6 acres, cash, multiple cars, cash, TVs, whole decked out house, looking to buy another house, have a couple rental houses. I used to walk to work. You can do this. If I can do this, I'm going to show you the exact same way that I did this. And I'm going to teach you from the ground up. I've got a staff around the clock. You're going to have beginners questions answered 24 hours a day. We've got learning videos, and we've got live streams twice a week. We go live twice a week. And so we're constantly teaching you, and we're making sure you're in the best setups, and then we're making sure you're not stuck in these downtrends and holding these coins and just riding the red wave of losses. You can't be there and win this game. This is player versus player. You're trying to take people's money before they take yours. You can't just sit there and let them take your money, period. If you guys are interested in the trading group, you got to take advantage of this. Right now, nobody's going to make you do it. You've got to take that leap. You've got to be the one that says, I'm going to change everything right now, today. And it will happen. Thousands and thousands and thousands of people in my group are successful because I taught them from the ground up. And I make sure they're in the best setups and not taking losses when Bitcoin is dumping. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.